Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Do you ever think about how magical a book is? It all start with plain paper and black ink. But in the moment we read it, we step into a completely different world.
That's true. And do you think ever about how fascinating human hobbies are in general? Some people find peace in quiet logic, while others express themselves through music, language, or literature.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we want to share a story about passion that make our day feel alive, my love for reading and my fascination with writing.
And how my own hobbies have evolved over time, from solving puzzles and learning foreign language to playing music and resting with complex math.
For me, reading is not just a pastime to fill spare moment. Reading is my way of going on an adventure without leaving home. Talk books, I travel talk time. One day I am in the 18th
Century.
century learning history, and the next day I am in another galaxy. Talk science fiction. Many people say reading is boring, but trust me, if you think so, you simply haven't not found the right book yet. Reading teaches me one crucial thing and empathy. When we read someone else's story, we see the world through a different lens. We learn to understand perspective that never crossed our mind before.
After that, my curiosity shifted toward foreign language. I spent time learning Japanese, Chinese, and Russian. It was amazing to see how different cultures structures their talks through unique words and scripts. But lately, I've found a new way to spend my days playing a guitar, strumming chords, and creating melodies give me a completely different kind of satisfaction.
Now, from this habit of reading, a new passion slowly emerged for me, writing. Whenever I finish a great book, I often sit back to wonder, what does it feels like to create a story like this? What does I feel like to put my own thought and emotional into words? At first, writing feels intimidating. I often thought myself, is my writing good enough? Or does anyone even want to read this? But every time I realize that writing is not about producing instant perfection. Writing is the process of organizing our mind. When our head feel full of ideas, feeling or worries, swapping them into words with immense relief. Writing is how I speak when the word feels too loud.
I love how you describe that inner focus. Now, while we hobbies change over time, there is one constant interest that always stay with me: mathematics. I have to admit math can be super chaotic and complicated. Right now, the formulas are getting trickier and sometimes it really drives me crazy. But honestly, that's what makes it so fun. Solving a hard math problem feels like unlocking a secret level in a game. It's challenging but incredible. rewarding when you finally get the answer right.
To me, reading and writing are like breathing. Reading is inhaling, we absorb ideas, knowledge, new word, and imagination from the outside. Breathe on the one hand is exhaling, we release what we process inside our mind into a fresh new form. Without reading, my writing feels dry and run out of raw material. And out writing, everything I read just piles up without turning into something personal.
Exactly, to me, all these interests are actually connected like different pieces of the same puzzles. Learning language helped me understand pattern in words. Playing guitar helps my express emotion through rhythm, and mathematics give me structure of think logically. Without logic, music feels unstructured, and without creativity, math can feel dry. Combining logic, language, and music makes my daily life feel exciting and balanced.
So, for those you who want to start reading or dream of writing your own story, start small, read on page a day or read on paragraph every night.
And to anyone trying to find their own passion, don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's picking up an instrument, learning a language, or tackling hard math problem, just jump in.
The world of literature and learning is vast and beautiful, and who knows, the word you write today might be the exact story someone needs to read tomorrow.
Thank you for listening today. What is your favorite book or hobby right now? Or what subject do you find most interesting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See
See
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next
video.
video.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.